Yo, what up? What up? We out here, man. We're chilling in here in the beach. We about to drink some water. Yeah, man. But we here on the beach. Saturday. You know, we ain't gonna trade today. That's why. I know some motherfuckers wanna trade some crypto, but that shit is just, man, get a life. Yo, what up? We out here. We're heading to downtown. You know what I'm saying? We did a little workout at the beach, as you saw on the intro. You feel me?
Boost your testosterone.
Yo, what is good, man? What's it good? I'm back home. It's actually pretty damn late. It's almost 8 p.m. 8 p.m. in my country, which is pretty late. But you know, it's Saturday. I'm just chilling, about to get some short form content, and you know, we gotta do what we gotta do. You feel me? So yeah, a lot of you people actually ask me and wonder what do day traders do on weekends? Like, well, I have my social media thing, you know, I'll be doing this shit. I'll be also, sometimes I like to analyze the markets, and on Sundays, every single Sunday, I do the market analysis with the Discord. That's the basic stuff. That's just one aspect of it. You know, the weekly, where's price going for the week? And, you know, that's what we do. And obviously the live trades on weekdays, but weekend is different. But see, I see a lot of motherfuckers just being addicted to trading, that when you know when they have a weekend, they open like a fucking crypto account and start fucking gambling. You know, it's 2 fucking days of a week. Rest of the days are open, the markets are open, so just chill, have some education. Are you really profitable? Why would you trade more? Back this, do something else, bro. Like that's funny, bro. That's funny. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna now do some things, do some short form content. You know, we know how we do it, and let's get it. You know, guys, as you saw, I mean, I just did a bunch of stuff. Actually did some AI short-term content, just try something. But guys, it's Saturday. Many people think, what do these traders do on weekends? Well, like I told you in the beginning of this video, or literally just told you that we just, you know, we be chilling. Now, literally, weekends may keep you weak, guys, so stay strong. I literally recorded a video, also a short-term video, all about the stuff, and now I'm trying to upload some AI shit, just, you know. But guys, I'm fucking 17, making money in these markets, but other than that, my life is just, you know, pretty chill. And I'm trying to keep these vlogs as real as possible. I don't want nobody to get like a false sense of reality. Like, I see motherfucking gurus just talk shit, show all the positive things, but I'm just trying to show you the reality, because this is supposed to motivate you, because I make money in these markets. 95%, 97% of the people cannot make money in these markets consistently. So this just goes to show you that I don't do nothing weird. Like, you see these motherfucking gurus tell you, like, you fucking have to show gratitude, like, obviously be grateful for life, but you don't have to do no extra goofy shit. But if you want to increase the odds to succeed, then bro, just put the work in. There's no secret, you know, there's no secret to being profitable. There's no secret to being successful. It's just work. Motherfucking gurus talk about something BS, like what is it? They talk about like show affirmations. What the fuck, bro? Come on, man. Just stop being a guru. Just admit it's the work. It's the fucking work. All right, guys. Peace out. And as usual, I'll see you on the other side. Make sure to join the winning team, the free Discord from the description. Let's get it.